Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Volpi ELITE 16 is engineered to provide precise and effective spraying by combining advanced technology with ultimate practicality. The 16-liter tank, made from durable polypropylene, ensures excellent durability and lightness, while the NBR seals offer reliable protection against aggressive chemical agents. The power source is the rechargeable lithium battery, battery, which delivers a consistent liquid flow without pressure drops, maintaining stable pressure up to 8 bars, thus optimizing energy consumption and extending the battery life. Designed for maximum comfort, the ergonomic structure includes padded and adjustable shoulder straps, coupled with a contoured backrest for optimal weight distribution. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.